Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to cut a one shoulder gathered maxi dress. In this video, I'll be showing you pictorial illustration on how to cut a stunning one shoulder gathered maxi dress. This pattern will show you how to cut it perfectly. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and experienced fashion designers. So sit down, relax and watch this video to the end. You will need up to 4 yards of fabric or more, depending on the size of the person that will wear it. You will need your zip, your matching zip, thread, tailor's chalk, tape rule, scissors. You will need to measure your bust, waist, hip, desired length, shoulder, then the sleeve length. Let me know in the comment section in any area you are not clear of. I will gladly reply your question.